Hey, it's Alex O, your Houston realtor, and if you're a first-time homebuyer or relocating from out of state, you're going to love this one. Today, I'm taking you inside a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, new construction home in the beautiful Heights area of Houston, Texas. We're listed at just 514. It's move-in ready and can be the perfect fit whether you're looking for your first home or starting fresh in Houston, Texas. I'll walk you through why this home is a great buy and how I can help you crunch the numbers and negotiate a smart deal in today's market. Now, drop a comment down below. Would you live here? And don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who needs to see it. Stick around to the end and I'll show you the one detail most buyers miss on the first walkthrough. Here is the beautiful home. Let me just close this real quick. All right, so right off the bat, you guys have a very open floor plan right here. Vinyl flooring. And the builder, with this, they have beautiful white, gold, wood finishes. You have a lovely waterfall island right here. This is a quartz countertop. So very shiny, looks really good. I like the pattern that they got going on here. And I like that the waterfall island is a good size. Sometimes I feel like with a lot of these new construction homes, especially in the Heights, their islands tend to be a little bit on the smaller side, but I feel like right here, this has more than enough for me personally to do some cooking right here. Have this little lovely chandelier right here. Love this light fixture. Right here, we have a 5-burner gas stovetop. Everything in here is obviously brand new. This is all new construction. And notice how they don't have space up there like in most homes that you see. They have the cabinets go all the way to the top. So there's no weird extra space on the top right there that you usually see in homes nowadays. Have these nice built-in shelves. And here is your vent hood. So you can do a lot of cooking here, have a lot of great meals. Right here, undermount sink, wide sink. A lot of space to work with over here. Again, brand new appliances. Right over here, I'm gonna turn around. You have your microwave down here and a beverage fridge. Keep your drinks nice and cool. There's no fridge installed right now, but this is where obviously the fridge would be. And I wanna take you guys over here to the pantry. Now, this doesn't look like a lot, but inside, seems deceptive, but you have a nice sizable walk-in pantry right here. See that? So a nice little hidden pantry right here. Love how they designed this right here. Tucked away. People wouldn't even notice. They would think, oh, this is a small pantry, but it's a walk-in pantry. I'm gonna take you guys to the living room. So like I said, open floor plan. Ceilings are high. Can imagine the couch being where I'm standing right here. Put the TV over here. You have your thermostat right there. Classic Honeywell. Can't go wrong with that. Easy to use. And taking you guys to the backyard. Now I love this right here because it's very open and lots of privacy with these fences. These fences are really, really tall. Much taller than the standard 7 to 8 feet. This looks like about 9 feet. So you'll have lots and lots of privacy. No nosy neighbors looking into your yard. Here's the back patio. So right over here, you have an extra gas line in case you want to have a gas grill. And you also have the option to install an outdoor sink if you like. Beautiful day today. This would be a good area to have a little barbecue. Nice privacy. Let's head back inside. I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. I love this kitchen. Love the colors, love the accents. Very nice, giving luxury. Right over here you have the half bath. Very convenient, super close to the living room and kitchen. And right over here, you have your 2-car garage. All right, got some space in the back over here. So any of you electric car owners, the electric panels right here, you'll have the option to hire somebody to install at-home charging. I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. Now we have the second living area right here. Very spacious. Love the natural light that's coming in, and you have this little rotunda on top. Great accenting. So we have 2 bedrooms over there. Washer and dryer room. And then let me take you guys over here into the primary. So right off the bat, you'll notice that you have 2 closets, one on your left, and you'll also have one on your right. So you'll have private closets for couples, him and hers, hers and hers, him and hims. Let me fix the lighting right here. Sorry about that, guys. All right, nice and spacious, same thing. You have that little rotunda right here. And you'll also have the option to have somebody install a fan if you like. So this house really brings in a lot of natural light. Now here's the part where I'm most excited. It's the primary bathroom. So same thing, tile flooring, a lot of gold and white accents, a little bit of gray, dual vanity, and then right here you have your bath and shower. Open this up right here, you got the rainfall shower, and then you have the bathtub inside the shower. And I like that because this area stays wet, whereas the rest of the bathroom stays dry. Turn this on for you guys. So generally, with these square shower heads, a lot of people complain that they don't have enough water pressure, but to me, that looked like pretty good water pressure for showering. Then right over here, it's just your toilet room already. Then let me take you guys a little quick peek outside. Fix the lighting here, there you go. So, got a lot of new homes here out on the street in the Heights. A lot of great restaurants, a lot of good shops. Heights is a lovely area to live in if you like eating out. Let's go into the last two bedrooms. So right here, you have the secondary bathroom. Now with this, I like that they install the tiles all the way up to the ceiling. A lot of builders, they like to cut off right there to where it's just drywall, but this builder, they install the tiles all the way up to the ceilings, which I can appreciate. Some space right here. Now with this restroom, they have black and white accents. And then the last two bedrooms right here, this one has its own private bathroom. Alrighty, same thing as the other bathroom. And here's your walk-in closet. Pretty decent space. And then the last bedroom is gonna be right here. So that's basically it for the home tour. If you guys are looking to make a move in Houston, I'm your guy. I help a lot of families and first-time home buyers find new construction deals all throughout Houston. And if you need somebody to look out for your best interests and make sure that you guys don't miss the fine print in a lot of these contracts, my details, my contact information are going to be down below. You guys can connect through me on Facebook or Instagram as well. Thank you guys so much and have a great rest of the day.